I compare you? Shall I compare you to a summer's day? Thou art more beautiful and more temperate than this fountain.
Sorry, I'm only more beautiful than the fountain.
I mean, yeah, but it's a great fountain. You gotta say, in scale of fountainness, it's a 10. It's a lot of things going on with the fountain.
I mean, yeah, but there are better fountains to be compared to, Chris. There's like loads. Couldn't you compare me to the Trevi fountain?
Sharon, there's fountains and there's fountains. Trevi fountain, it's really embarrassing to say this, but you're a fountain, but you're no Trevi fountain.
Hang on a second, you're saying I'm not the Trevi fountain? I could be the Trevi fountain if I wanted to be the Trevi fountain.
No. I think you're more mannequin piece, but not the Trevi. No, not the Trevi.
Yeah, well, you're a bed bath, so I don't even know why I'm with you, why I let you write these poems for me. God.
I mean, I'm not. I don't look. I know that I was batting above my weight with you.
Oh, there's room for two of us here.
There could have been. I saw another, and then they went away, and I went away, and they went away, and I came back.
Oh, I love it. Your feathers are looking dewy.
Oh, what was that? Oh,
Your feathers.
oh, yes, my feathers.
Your feathers. It's like a lovely bird bath here.
I just had my feathers done. It finally opened up. It's been closed for a while.
Oh, is that because the changing of the season?
Yes. My poor feathers, they were getting very shabby, but now I'm feeling very...
Yeah. Trev,
Yeah, Gary.
Trev,
Yeah.
those birds in the bird bath, they're getting more bloody egotistical and narcissistic by the day.
You know what? I was thinking that, Gary.
Yeah. Look at them, fluffing up their feathers, rolling around in the water like they own it. I mean, look at that one. And look at that.
Oh my God! Look at them.
They're not bloody peacocks, they're just bloody sparrows.
God. Do you remember when birds used to be grounded?
Yeah.
They didn't care about looking beautiful, did they?
I remember when birds, just common garden birds, were just birds, you know?
just ate the seeds, got a worm.
Shut
Now
on the
look at
bar.
them.
You know, look at them now. Look at this one here.
It's that
She's
big.
giving it all that. I mean, I've never seen so much narcissism and egotistical behaviour from a bunch of sparrows in all my life.
This is outrageous. I think we should change spots.
Change spots?
Yeah. I think we should change. We've been looking in this garden for years, but the birds just aren't to standard anymore.
They're not up to scratch, are they?
No, I want some nice down-to-earth birds, you know.
Yeah. Just sparrows who know that they're sparrows, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't want delusional sparrows that think that they're doves or peacocks. Look at that. Is that one making fun of us?
Well, if you look a bit like that, cheeky blighter.
I think they're mocking us, Gary.
Do you think they're mockingbirds, do you? They're mockingbirds. That's what they are. Peacocks and mockingbirds.
How very dare they?
How bloody dare they?
How... Gary, tomorrow we're changing spots. We're going to go down by the pond.
Yeah?
Look at some geese.
Oh, well, geese, you can't beat a good goose now, can you? They know their place.
So I said you can't beat a good goose.
Got it. You know, I mean, where do you think, like, how do you think of them? Like, you're so quick. Like, I could never be as quick as you. Like, every time we go into the meetings, you're just like, bam, 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 bam.
I know. But when I was recruited, that was a key competency. They said, give me an example of when you've been in a meeting and you have quick fire lines, bang, 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 bang. And I gave them a couple of examples, and they could not employ me because I was just saying exactly what they were looking for. You should try it. You should try it.
I think it's because I make like really good tea. It's a skill. It's a skill. It's a skill, right?
Yeah, we've wanted to talk to you a little bit about that.
Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, cool. Like the tea. Yeah.
Is it too cold? Do I make it too cold?
No. You need to boil the kettle, Sandra. You don't do that.
What?
Bang, 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 and the birds are gone.
Did you just shoot my budgie?
Oh, the budgie.
Oh.
It's all right. It was only a water gun.
I mean, he doesn't look good, does he? Like,
I mean, it might just be resting on the side like that.
you know Gareth doesn't like water. He's scared of it.
Well, Garrett's scared of water.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's been scared since he was a baby bird. You can't put water on him. You need to look. We've need some ground rules, right, for looking after the bird. Okay. So he doesn't like water. You can't be squirting him with water. He doesn't like baths. He's more of a shower person. He does it quickly. He gets out, right?
The bird does not like water.
Yeah.
So the bird bath.
Yeah. No.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. He's a cut above the rest, is Gareth. He's not a usual like budgie.
So I need to remove the bird baths.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next thing, right? Seeds. Okay. Sunflower only. Sunflower only. Okay.
Sunflower only. And is that the Waitrose one or the Morrison's?
Waitrose. Waitrose. He's not an animal. Well, he is, but and the other thing, right? He's got a weak beak. He's not very good at like. He can't chomp. So what you need to do is chew it for him.
Okay.
To him, and just yeah.
I find it very hard to chomp down on me food, Maureen. I'm just wondering if you could whiz it in the whizzer.
Yes, I can make you a sort of a smoothie.
A smoothie?
A roast smoothie.
A roast smoothie.
Yes. So what I'll put in it is the lamb that we had.
Yes.
With the roast potatoes and a splash of you like your ketchup, don't you?
A splash of ketchup would be lovely.
Okay. I'll do that for you. I'll just put it to the side and just wait for it to get a little bit soggy before I whiz it. Okay.
Thank you. Does it take very long? Because I've got to go and check on my stocks and shares.
Oh, no, it won't. It will just take a couple of minutes. But it would be wonderful if you could just hold on to that thought about your stocks and shares
Yes.
Because funnily enough,
Yes.
I've started looking into stocks and shares,
Well,
and
you
I was
should.
wondering
Yes.
if you could share some of your knowledge, or even, I mean, I don't know, I want to buy some, but I don't know what to do. And you're so, you know, I mean, your career.
I've got a top tip. Oh, I'll tell you about it afterwards.
You're here to purchase some stocks and shares. I'm your new stockbroker. Yes.
Yes, I saw your picture on the bench by the bus stop, and I was like, that looks like a perfect person to help me with my stocks and shares.
Yes, I am perfect. Yes, I often receive that perfect feedback. Yes, yeah. I mean, I'm not just talking. Pardon?
It's a very good bench.
Oh!
I mean, your picture is just it's a very good bench and a very good picture.
When we chose the bench, obviously you appreciate we make a lot of money here. When we chose the bench, I said, I don't want anything that will be graced by the artists of the great unwashed, you know, that demographic, because they're not the sort that are going to be interested in stocks and shares.
That's right.
So, what can I help you with?
I have one stock.
Just the one? And stock?
Where should I put it?
Oh, let me think about that for a while. What's the stock in?
And then I added the stock, and that's kind of when it. And like I followed it as I was supposed to. I followed it to the T. Jess, I followed it to the T, and now I'm supposed to have a beef Wellington, and I've got beef soup, which is fine. But no, they're not expecting beef soup.
It's okay, B. Like, I'll sort you out. Like, we'll just put a bit of pastry round the bowl or something, you know. No, listen. Or we could serve it in a Wellington boot, you know, because then it's like a beef Wellington.
Beef Wellington.
I've got your back, sister.
That sounds nice. I'm coming into the kitchen to see what this is.
Oh no, they're here. Right, are you ready? Get dressed quick. Come on. I'll get the drinks. Hello. Hiya.
Hello. Oh, we're expecting more guests. Oh, hiya. It does smell lovely.
Ladies, here's your drink.
Stay.
Ding dong.
Oh,
for you, ladies.
oh,
Thank you.
oh, it smells gorgeous.
Oh,
For ages. Ooh.
Abby's been working on it all day. She has.
Quick question, lovelies. I know that our invitation here was based on a potluck, you know, so we all bring an ingredient for the food, and so could we just go around and each say, you know, what we brought for the stew?
I brought a mouse.
Lovely.
Beautiful.
A texture.
Perfect.
Oh. Nail clippers?
Brilliant.
And I brought antihistamines, you know, because not everyone likes beef, do they? The vegetarians.
Always thinking of others.
I brought my asthma inhaler because it adds a bit of seasoning.
Oh, yes.
I brought the instructions to how to eat it, because sometimes I forget.
It's hard sometimes. It is really difficult.
Do you swallow first? Do you chew first? Do you, I don't, you know? Yeah,
Just get the instructions.
Oh, this is the best birthday ever.
Happy birthday.
Cheers.